Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Study art. Like I said, look and observe the things around you. To learn, you need to study what you want to draw. To look at it. There's no other way to go about it. This is how you learn to draw anything in life. Even when going for a more fantasy setting and for the ideas that run through your head, you'll grab reference from real life objects, still life, trees, rivers, mountains, or nature. Do practice sketches of things around you. This will help you see things differently. Don't try to think how a ball looks, actually look at the ball and draw the shapes you see and how the light shines on it. Go outside and study life, draw the shapes you see. Making studies from real-life examples will not only let you understand better how to draw something, it will also give you a better understanding of perspective and dynamic movement. So, do try and take some time to practice some life studies. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.